How to add Stripe to Shopify store. Good day folks, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can add your Stripe account to your Shopify store. So this is what Stripe looks like, their homepage, and if you have not yet got an account, the card will appear up on the screen now. You can actually go ahead and I'll show you how to create a Stripe account. So we're going to go now into our Shopify store, and we're going to go over to settings on the bottom left hand side, and we're going to click on that. So once we're in our settings, you're going to go ahead down to the bottom and you're going to go and look for payments. We can now choose a payment provider, and it says you can now enable that you accept this payment method, and you can go ahead and tap on choose a provider. Right over here you can see now that there are tons of providers to choose from, and on the right hand side you can choose, or you can filter down a payment method. Then you also have the search bar up at the top, and you're just going to go ahead and type in Stripe. Now it says that Stripe is unavailable in my country, but if you tap on it, you will be put through to a page where you can enter in your Stripe details. You will now have to verify your account, so you can just tap on the verify me in the email that you receive. We're now back on this page over here, and your account is now secure. You can download this code or copy this code over here. And once you've done so, to keep your account secure, you can tap on next. Now over here you can select the account that you'd like to connect to Shopify. So over here there's an unnamed account. Of course, that is now my sample account. You can go ahead and tap on it and say connect, or if you would like to create a new account, you can go ahead and tap on create new account. You'll now have to enter your business location as well as the type of business over here. You will also now have to verify your personal details. So your legal names, your first name as well as your second name as it comes up on your identification card, and then your email address. You will now also have to enter your date of birth, your home address, including the country and the actual physical street address, a phone number, and then the last 4 digits of your social security number. You will now go through the additional stages of setting up your account. Unfortunately, this is where I have to stop because it is not available in my country. But once you get through it, you will get back to your Shopify store. And once you are in your Shopify store, again, you will see under payments that Stripe is now one of your payment methods. And you can now start receiving payments through Stripe, and it'll show up just over here under the supported payment methods. There we go, folks. A quick and easy guide to follow as to how you can add Stripe to your Shopify account. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.